Are you tired of your coffee table looking plain and lifeless, but don't want to spend a fortune on expensive decor? Stay with me, because today, I'll show you how to transform your coffee table into a stylish centerpiece without breaking your budget. Welcome back. In this video, we'll explore creative budget-friendly coffee table decor ideas that add personality, elegance, and warmth to your living space. Whether you love a modern touch or a cozy vibe, these tricks are practical, affordable, and easy to apply. Simple definition. Coffee table decor simply means arranging decorative pieces on your table in a balanced way, so it looks inviting yet functional. 4. Step-by-step practical guide. Step 1. Choose a focal point like a tray or a stack of books. Step 2. Add height variation using candles, plants, or vases. Step 3. Mix textures with wood, glass, or fabric elements. Step 4. Include personal touches like a small photo frame or handmade item. Step 5. Keep it functional by leaving some space for cups or remotes. Tools explained. You'll need just a few basics: a decorative tray, old books, a small plant or faux greenery, a candle or diffuser, and any personal accessory like coasters or framed photos. Quick tips: keep everything in odd numbers like 3 or 5 for visual balance. Neutral tones make it timeless, but a pop of color adds energy. Rotate seasonal decor to refresh the look without extra cost. Cost comparison. Buying luxury decor items for your coffee table can easily cost $100 to, but with thrift finds, DIY crafts, and budget stores, you can achieve the same polished look for under $30. Workflow. Pick your base tray or books, place your tallest item, add medium-sized decor, balance with smaller accents, then adjust until it feels symmetrical, but not too perfect. Professional notes. Interior designers often stress the importance of layering and balance. A good coffee table setup should tell a story about you, while blending seamlessly with the rest of your living room style. So remember, choose a focal point, add height and texture, mix personal accents, keep it functional, and always balance the arrangement. That's the secret to achieving a stylish coffee table on a budget. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe for more affordable home styling ideas.